Good afternoon, good evening. I'm here at the airport to get my next guest for tomorrow, who happens to be one of the best engineers in the country, by name Zapp Marlet. Zapp Marlet, I had money for so many years, and expecting very educative and informative interview with him when it comes to music production, when it comes to artist behavior in the studios. Enti abusafo be come ho na ya welcome me nua to Kumasi. Your luggage, right? Okay, so I'm saying, your luggage, oh. Okay, people. I've had a stressful day, but I need to manage. And like I say, who entertains the entertainer? Sometimes you're stressed out and you figure out what you can do to distress yourself. But the work must be done. I'm shooting some TV commercials tomorrow. I'm preparing my models. They're fixing their nails, their hair, costume, props, location, and all stuff. But I need to come here and pick my guest, Zapp Marlet. They need this kind of treat. We need to welcome them well. Let them feel that yes, they've done something good for us. Because because on the face or out there, but those who are making the musicians, those who are behind the machines, making them who they are, almost we hear treats. So I'm here to make my brother feel at home. So from here, I'm going to go hotel now, coaching at home. Then tomorrow morning on HammerTime, we'll talk about music. We'll talk about artist behavior. What else? Royalties as an engineer, programmer. They know when you film after taking their money from the artist after recording. What else? You know, when you record your hit video, a comedy was a legit question. Yeah. Okay, so he's getting his luggage over, then we move. Okay, so in a few minutes you'll join me. Yep. Okay, my man is here. You know, let me welcome him to Kumasi. Head Zapp Marlet.
Hey, boss, Charlie. Long time, man.
A day.
Ages.
See the heights.
Hey, Charlie. This one they have to put it online, man.
Oh, what? To
America. My back.
People, you see.
Hey.
What track card crop, bread?
Oh, Charlie, let me see. And you grow, Charlie.
Wrong entry.
My back.
Also, the way you sit in a car, you enter with your leg.
I have to enter with my head first.
Damn it.
Yeah, otherwise, Charlie, I'm in trouble. Even my wife's Land Cruiser Prado, I have to enter with my head first.
Also, it's like when you're entering Trotro, not to go with your head.
Charlie, nothing is made for people like us. So we struggle. Nothing is made for people like us. 2 meters and above there.
Welcome to Kumasi.
Charlie, thank you.
It's been long. Then the last time we met was 2012.
Charlie.
2011, 2012?
2011, 2012.
Yeah, that Jackie project.
Yeah. That's about 8 years, eh?
8 years.
Yeah. 8 years.
It's good to be home.
All right, Charlie.
Your second home.
This is my home. This is actually my actual home.
Yeah.
But the main macro exile.
Okay, as usual. So we just entered our joint, Royal Ometa Hotel. Zapp need to take some rest.
Yeah, man.
Then he'll find something to eat.
Yeah, man. Have a good time. It's been a while since I came to
Kumerica.
I'm very
happy. You have a free passport.
I'm free visa crowd. Okay, me continue Kumerica passport. Okay,
Okay, so that is Zapp Marlet for you, Royal Meta Hotel. I want you. Hana, do home. Yes. I want you to take a just for right to the crown. One,